Welcome back to Dinar Current, your trusted hub for up-to-date, accurate, and insightful coverage on everything related to the Iraqi dinar. In a world where financial dynamics are constantly evolving, staying informed about currency shifts, economic reforms, and global banking decisions is more vital than ever. As of May 2025, a major milestone has emerged that could dramatically change the global perception of the Iraqi dinar. Bank of America, one of the largest and most influential financial institutions in the world, has officially declared that it will now accept Iraqi dinar banknotes for exchange. This applies to commonly circulated denominations such as the 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, and 25,000 dinar notes. This bold move marks a significant breakthrough for dinar holders, currency traders, and investors. For years, the Iraqi dinar has attracted speculation and cautious optimism, largely fueled by Iraq's massive oil reserves and long-term economic potential. However, the currency's lack of support from major banks has kept it on the fringes, limiting its accessibility and leaving most transactions to informal or less regulated dealers, raising concerns around legitimacy and security. Bank of America's decision shifts that narrative. By recognizing and processing Iraqi dinars, the bank is giving the currency a form of institutional approval that it previously lacked. This development signals a shift from the dinar being viewed as a fringe asset to a more accepted and integrated part of the foreign exchange system. It also sets the stage for other financial institutions to consider similar actions, potentially leading to broader adoption and improved market dynamics. The implications are significant. Recognition by a major bank like Bank of America can influence how others in the financial sector view and interact with the dinar. It might even prompt more conservative investors and institutions to take a second look. With more credibility and regulated exchange options, the dinar could gradually be seen as a legitimate asset rather than a speculative gamble. Importantly, this development does not represent a confirmed revaluation (RV) of the dinar. Any potential RV remains dependent on a range of internal and global economic factors. However, this step does inject new energy and seriousness into discussions about the dinar's future. This move also reflects Iraq's internal progress. The Central Bank of Iraq has rolled out numerous reforms aimed at enhancing transparency, stabilizing inflation, and modernizing the banking system. Aligning more closely with global financial norms, these reforms may have helped pave the way for Bank of America's new policy. For investors, travelers, and businesses with interests in Iraq, the ability to exchange dinars through a globally recognized and trusted bank simplifies the process. It reduces uncertainty, offers real-time exchange rates, and ensures compliance with financial regulations like AML, anti-money laundering, and KYC, Know Your Customer protocols. If you're planning to exchange dinars at Bank of America, make sure you're prepared. Valid identification and verification will be required. Exchange rates will be based on current market data and can vary, as can fees, depending on the amount and your account type. It's best to contact your local branch in advance to understand the specific procedures. This policy change brings greater legitimacy to the dinar and provides reassurance to holders who have waited for such a development. It could serve as a catalyst for more robust trading, increased liquidity, and possibly better valuation clarity in the Forex market. While this doesn't automatically translate into a value increase, it's a crucial step in the right direction. Looking ahead, Bank of America's move could trigger a chain reaction. Once a major player steps in, competitors may follow to stay aligned with evolving market trends. This could mean expanded access to dinar trading, more institutional interest, and ultimately a shift in how the currency is perceived globally. For those who were previously hesitant, this change provides a new level of safety and transparency, opening the door for a wider range of participants, from individual investors to large financial firms. Strategically, this is a big win for the Iraqi dinar and for Iraq itself. It not only facilitates safer transactions but also symbolizes Iraq's deeper integration into the global economy as it continues to develop beyond its reliance on oil. In summary, Bank of America's decision to accept Iraqi dinars for exchange is a landmark event. It helps bridge a long-standing gap and adds credibility to a currency many have believed in for years. Although it doesn't confirm an RV, it undeniably strengthens the outlook and potential of the dinar. At the Dinar Current channel, we'll continue to keep you informed with expert analysis and ongoing updates. Stay alert, do your research, and always consult financial professionals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, one thing is clear, the dinar is gaining ground. Thanks for being with us, and remember, invest wisely.